country. The ambassador of Thailand to India, Patrat Hongtong, yesterday said there is potential for economic cooperation between Meghalaya and Thailand. She said this while attending the interactive session organized by the Confederation of Indian Industry at Hotel Centre Point, Shillong. She stated that the country and Meghalaya can work together in various sectors, including tourism, textiles and food processing. After her meeting with Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma earlier in April, the ambassador said that she apprised the Chief Minister of initiatives undertaken on Thailand's part to grow economic ties with North-Eastern region.
Opportunities and potentials of Meghalaya state from him, and also learn that there are potentials area that perhaps Thailand and Meghalaya could work together. One on tourism, the other one's on the textile, that do have the raw materials textiles, so perhaps we can work on the enhance the capacities on designs and value added for the textiles, and then also on the food processing, that perhaps Thailand has the key entrepreneurs and manufacturers of the food processing.
Deputy